Investing with WealthSimple in Canada is a straightforward process that allows you to invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Here's how you can start investing with WealthSimple. Create an account. Visit the WealthSimple website or download the WealthSimple app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up by providing your email address, name, and personal details. Complete KYC. For security and regulatory purposes, complete the Know Your Customer process. You will need to provide identification documents such as your SIN, address proof, and bank account details. Choose your investment account type. Select the type of investment account that suits your goals. You can choose from RRSP, TFSA, or a non-registered account for general investments. Deposit funds. Fund your WealthSimple account through a bank transfer, e-transfer, or other available methods. Make sure to deposit sufficient funds for your investment. Select your investments. WealthSimple offers pre-built portfolios based on your risk profile, or you can choose to invest in individual stocks or ETFs. You can also use WealthSimple Trade for more direct investing in individual stocks. Track your portfolio. After investing, use the app to monitor your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as necessary.